Hey guys, I want to talk about the liftgate hinge recall. I have a 2020 Ford Escape hybrid, and I ran my VIN through NHTSA.org, and I have identified that this vehicle is part of the liftgate hinge cover recall, which I was hoping, because I actually had some of the symptoms. I could hear wind noise when riding in the back of this vehicle. I just bought this car for my daughter, so I knew I had a problem, and I also ran it through NHTSA just to check open recalls, and of course, good news is that came up. So, but I just want to show you what the problem is. I identified it first through hearing wind noise. This is the hinge cover. You can see for the rear lift gate. This one is pretty attached. I don't see any issues with this, but here's the difference. This one is just very loose, very easy to pull up, likely to blow off. Part of the recall reason is because it can become a road hazard, could fly off and hit the car behind you. You get annoying wind noise with it. You can hear it flapping at certain speeds, so that's an issue. Again, just from the inside, you can see like it's definitely looser. What I'm gonna do is cover it with some black Gorilla Tape temporarily till I can get it into the dealer for the free recall fix. They will either replace these or reattach them. I don't know how they get attached. I didn't want to bother with it. It's a free recall and they have parts available, and I'll reference that in the video description. So, but that's the issue. I'm gonna go ahead and real quick tape over the seams on this, and then I'll come back and I'll show you the difference. So I went ahead and taped over that with black Gorilla Tape. And you can see, I mean, I can't lift it up. And just to show you from the inside, like, it is just as secured as the other side felt initially. This is a temp fix, obviously. I'm gonna schedule it with the dealer, but I didn't want it flying off in the meantime now that I've identified I had a problem. So I went ahead and did both sides. Can't even really tell it's there unless you're looking for it. I mean, who cares? Better than having a bigger problem. So that's the liftgate hinge cover issue. Here's the recall number. Ford's recall number is 25 S as in Sam, D as in David, 6. NHTSA's is 25 V as in Victor, 829. Just real quick, the summary. On your vehicle, the liftgate hinge covers may become partially or fully detached. You may notice the covers are not fully seated or hear wind noise and rattling noise as you drive prior to detachment. So I'm hearing that, so I'm probably close to it being detached. Safety risk is a hinge cover that detaches while driving can create a road hazard for other road users, increasing the risk of a crash. Remedy parts are available. Confirm with your dealer when scheduling an appointment. So if you go to NHTSA.org, run your VIN, you check and see. I don't remember the exact years on this. I know it's 2020 and a couple other years, so you just might want to check. December 2nd, 2025 is when this particular one came out. Yeah, so there you go. Hope that helps. I know I'm gonna get a lot less wind noise. I'll feel a lot better knowing this isn't just gonna fly off and hit somebody's windshield behind me while me or my daughter are driving, and take it in and get it fixed.